Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be installing a wig from OMGHerHair, and this is going to be my very first time ever installing a wig that has curly edges. So I'm super excited. I've seen a few videos about them online and I cannot wait to try it. I know you guys probably have missed me, and I missed me too. I absolutely love doing these reviews on wigs, and I just love hair tutorials. I love teaching. It's one of my passions, and I cannot wait to get back into them. But for now, we're going to be using the THEERICKAJ Liquid Melt. Today we're using only glueless products. We're not using any adhesive at all. Feel free to pause this video, rewind it as many times as you need to, because it's very informative. It's very, very simple. Even if you're a beginner to the point where you know nothing about wigs, you have never touched a wig in your life, I love doing these tutorials because I know that they're so easy to follow along with, and you can get the results you need and the results you want without having to break the bank or deal with, you know, these hairstylists out here, because they do be a little janky. You don't want to rush the blow drying process when you're doing glueless installs, because if it's not dry fully before you take that band off or before you try to move to the next step, unfortunately your whole install gonna be messed up. Take your time. If you have to sit under the dryer, if you don't want to use a handheld blow dryer, do whatever you have to do to make sure that it's fully dry. That's the key to glueless products. When they're still wet, still tacky, still dripping down, or whatever the case may be, they're not ready. Since this is my first time trying the curly edges, I really don't know what the heck I'm doing. But when you're a professional and you have experience, you just make it do what it do. So I'm just combing them out, figuring out how I'm going to style my hair. Most likely it's going to be a middle part because I'm a middle part kind of girl. But as you can tell, I let everything dry fully, and the wig is not going anywhere. Keep in mind, like I said, these are glueless products, but THEERICKAJ don't play. And with glueless products, all you need is water to remove it. Right now, I'm taking a fine, small tooth comb to style the baby hair, and you could just follow along with me. As I always say, doing baby hair is not a easy breezy 1, 2, 3 process. There's something that you have to play with. You either have to pluck sometimes, cut sometimes. But honestly, whoever constructed this wig at OMGHerHair did they top dollar, because they were cut the perfect size. They weren't too long. It wasn't too much hair in that area. I didn't pluck anything at all. This wig came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. I didn't do anything additional to it. It came perfect to my head size. I also want to let you guys know that OMGHerHair does allow you to customize it to your head size, so it's not too big, not too small. That's the key thing whenever you're ordering wigs. You have to make sure that they're your exact head size, and that's why I absolutely love working with OMGHerHair, because they get all the specifics, all the details. And majority of the time, like I said, I love my videos because they're beginner friendly, and beginners don't know how to bleach no knots. Beginners don't know how to pluck no wig. No matter how many videos you sit and watch, a beginner needs hands-on practice like a bunch of times. So to simply have the option to be able to order a pre-bleached and pre-plucked wig and it's your head size, a win is a win. A win is a win. This wig has so much hair. It's absolutely beautiful, and I had so much fun doing this tutorial. Feel free to subscribe. Not feel free to subscribe. At this point, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, we not homegirls. Are we even friends at this point? But I enjoyed doing this video, and I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye. Oh, before I go, the wig does have a clip in the back, so you can easily just boop, put it right up under your braids or under your hair or under your wig cap, and it's easily attached. I also want to thank IAmErickaJ, the GOAT, for making these awesome products. Point blank period. IAmErickaJ products get with the winning team. And also, lastly, thank you so much to OMGHerHair for this beautiful wig and all of the cute accessories that it came with.